Hello everyone, welcome back. And you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable camera access on Snapchat after the updating of iOS. Many Apple users facing this issue. If you are one of them, then keep watching this video until the end. Before start, please don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for latest video notifications. Let's start. Solution number 1. Launch settings. Scroll down, find and tap on Snapchat. Under Snapchat, enable microphone and camera as well. Solution number 2. Go to settings, tap screen time, tap content and privacy restrictions, tap photos and make sure that allow changes is selected. Solution number 3. Go to settings, tap screen time, tap always allowed, scroll down, find and tap on Snapchat. Now go back to screen time and tap content and privacy restriction and tap iTunes and App Store purchases and make sure always required is select. Next, tap on installing apps and select allow. Solution number 4. Go to settings, tap on screen time and tap content and privacy restrictions. Turn off content and privacy restrictions for a couple of minutes. After that, turn on. Solution number 5. Go to settings, tap privacy and tap camera and enable camera for Snapchat. Solution number 6. Tap and hold App Store and tap update. Now check the list. Is there is update available for Snapchat? If there is, tap on update. Solution number 7. Go to settings, tap battery and make sure that low power mode is turned off. Solution number 7. Tap and hold Snapchat and tap remove app. After that, go back to App Store and reinstall. Solution number 8. Check for software update. Go to settings, tap general and tap software update and update your iPhone if update is available. That's it. Friends, if you found this video helpful, then please like and share as well. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.